Got a tomato surplus? Here's how to preserve that deliciousness for future meals. To roast the tomatoes, we need garlic, olive oil, thyme, or rosemary, or a combination of both. First, preheat the oven. Cut the tomatoes in 2 to 3 centimeter chunks and add them to a bowl. Roughly chop the garlic and add it to the tomatoes. Drizzle with some olive oil. Sprinkle with herbs. Add salt and pepper, then mix well. Move the seasoned tomatoes to an oven-proof skillet with a lid and cook in the oven for 30 minutes. Take the lid off and cook for another 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool. Preserve them like this or blend them into a sauce. Portion to your liking. Freeze for up to 4 months and you'll be ready to add extra tastiness to any dish.